Good day everyone, my name is Johnston. This Tinctures, Gafo is presenting something different. We are now in the customer who has our biggest gantry machines of the year. This is a 10-meter gantry machine with equipped a lot of options specs on it. We can find so many features advantage on these machines, such as the driving systems, the main structures, and the unique specs on it. And I shall introduce you later briefly.
Regarding the control system, this machine was found 31I and B. Of course, you can optional with another control system like Siemens, Heidenheim, or Mitsubishi. And this machine in both sides beside the table is stand out with a screw capture conveyor from the rear to the front. Then move out the chip by lift up to conveyor locate in both sides. Okay guys, regarding the machine specification, let me introduce for everybody. The axis travel is 10 meter, y-axis travel is 8 meter, then z-axis travel is 1.4 meter. The table size is 10 meter plus 8 meter. The table capacity is 2,500 kilogram per square meter. Everyone can see the axis driving system is with rack pinion structure, which can provide more heavy capacity of the cross rail, include the spindle module structure, which can provide a more stable machining performance. Then you can see our Z-axis is designed with box and box structure with full linear guideway system, which can provide the more stable and the more heavy rigidity machining performance. During the maximum job, the spindle in the lower position, it's also very stable machining performance.
Now we are at the real side of Gantry Machining Center. Here we can see one of the features with automatic tool change system. Let's have a closer look. This ATC is available with 90 tool parts, and it is available in vertical and also horizontal position change for the tool. And let us see the process how the tool change in vertical position. And this is the process of how the tool exchange automatically. One of the special features of this machine is the head using 4 linear guideway, so it can bring more stability and increase the machine's rigidity. Here is the process of the ATC system. Change tool in horizontal way. This gantry type machine have 7 heads, and later you would change the head automatically, and there's a head storage unit, and let us see the process of the head change automatically. And here is our head storage unit. After release the head, they would come to pick up the next head for the following procedure. Now here is a head change complete.